Question number 9, it is given to you a cuboid having the dimension as 12 meter into 8 meter into 18 meter is melted to form a cube. Find the length of each side of the cube. Now see, a cuboid is melted and then it is formed as a cube. That means that the volume of the cuboid will be equal to volume of the cube, because we have melted that cuboid and formed a cube. You can experiment it in the manner that you make a cuboid with the paper and then convert it into cube. The paper required will be the same, but we have to use the same volume. We have not to waste anything. Okay, so the volume of the cuboid will be equal to the volume of cube. So volume of cube is equal to volume of cuboid. Now see, volume of cuboid is 12 into 8 into 18 and volume of cube will be a cube. So the side of the cube will be equal to cube root of 12 into 8 into 18. Now you can factorize it. 2 to the 4, 4 3 the 12. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 2 into 3 into 3. Now you can see 4, 5, 6. There are 6 cubes. So A will be equal to, you will make pair of 3. 6 2 are there. So we can take out 2 2. Now 3 are 3 in number. So we will take out 1 3. So A will be 2 to the 4, 4 3 is the 12. So it will be 12 meter. The sides of the cube will be 12 meter. What we have done in this problem, a cuboid was given to us and we have to melt it to form a cube. So the volume of the cuboid will be equal to volume of cube. Just we find the volume of cuboid and the cube root of that volume will be equal to the side of the cube. So you have to find out the volume of the cuboid and find its cube root. That will be equal to the side of the cube. So this solves our problem. Now let us move to the question number 11. Find the volume of a cylinder, area of whose base is 5 cm square and height is 6 cm. You are given that area of base is 5 cm square and height is 6 cm. You are supposed to find the volume. Again the same concept, that volume is equal to area of base into height. Just substitute the value. 5 into 6, that is equal to 30 centimeter cube. So the volume of the cylinder will be 30 centimeter cube. As we know that volume is area of base into area of height. In question number 12, it is given that circumference of the base of a cylinder is 6 meter. That means 2 pi r is equal to 6 meter and its height is 44 meter. You have to find the volume. See, what is given to you? Circumference is given to you as 6 meter and height is given to you as 44 meter. From here, the radius will be 6 upon 2 pi, 3 upon pi. I am not substituting the value of pi over here. Height is 44 meter. You have to find volume. Volume is pi r square h. Area of base into height. Pi into 3 by pi into 3 by pi into 44. Cancel it. Now you can substitute the value. 9 upon 44, the value of pi 22 into 7. It will be 2. 9 to the 18. 18 into 7. What will be the value of 18 into 7? It will be 126 centimeter cube. It will be 126 meter cube. So volume of the cylinder is pi r square h. We substitute the values and then find it out. Whenever put the value in the solution part. It is up to you. So easily we can find the volume of a cylinder if circumference is given to you and height is given to you. Now we will move to question number 13. In question number 13, a rectangular paper of width 14 cm is rolled along its width and a cylinder of radius 10 cm is formed. Find the volume of the cylinder. See what is given to you. Suppose this is the rectangular sheet of width 14 cm and you rolled it. So this height is given to you. Height is given to you as 14 cm and the circle which is formed, its radius is 10 cm. You have to find the volume of the cylinder. It is very easy. Just substitute the formula. Pi r square h, 22 by 7 into 10 into 10 into 14. Cancel it. 44 into 100, that will be equal to 4400 centimeter cube. So the width will become the height because it is rolled along its width. The figure is rolled along which side, that will become the height of the cylinder. If it would have been rolled along the length, then length would have become the height and the breadth would have become the circumference of the cylinder. Okay. Now come to question number 14. Again over here, a rectangular piece of paper 33 cm into 20 cm. Now length and breadth are given to you. Is folded to make a cylinder of height 20 cm. Find the volume of the cylinder assuming that there is no overlap. Now length is given to you as 30 cm. Breadth is given to you as 20 cm. And they are saying that height is 20 cm. See, this was our paper and it was rolled like this and there is no overlapping. The breadth has become the height. But what about the length? The length has become the circumference of the circle. So 2 pi r is equal to 33. 2 into 22 by 7 into radius is equal to 33. So radius will be equal to 33 into 7 upon 2 into 22. Cancel it. 3, 2. 21 by 4. It will be equal to 5.25 centimeter. So this is the radius of the given figure. Now what we have to do? We have to find the volume. Volume will be equal to pi r square h. Substitute the value. 22 by 7 into 5.25 into 5.25 into 20. Now you can say that nothing is cancelled. Just we have to do multiplication. So after solving it, what we will obtain? We will obtain it as 1732.5 centimeter cube. When you solve it out, you will get that the volume is equal to 1732.5 centimeter cube. So always remember that whenever a rectangular sheet is rolled into a cylinder, one side will become height, the another side will become the circumference. And using circumference, you can find the radius and then substitute the value of radius and height in the formula of volume. Then you can find the volume of the given figure. Now move to question number 15. There are two juice tin, one cylindrical in shape having the diameter as 7 cm and height 20 cm, and another one is a cuboid in shape having dimension 90 cm into 5 cm into 2 cm. Which juice can has the greater capacity? See here what is given. You are given with two tin. One is cylindrical in shape. For cylindrical you need height and radius, and for the cuboid you need length, breadth and height. Substitute the value. Length is 90 centimeter, breadth is 5 centimeter and height is 2 centimeter. And in the case of cylinder, diameter is 7. So radius will be 7 by 2 centimeter and height is given to you as 20 centimeter. Now we need to find the volume of both the figures. Volume of cuboid will be equal to length into breadth into height. 90 into 5 into 2, that will be 900 centimeter cube. And volume of the cylinder will be pi r square h. Substitute the value. Solve it. It will be 770 centimeter cube. Easily you can see that volume of cuboid is greater. Volume of cuboid is greater by 900 minus 770, that is equal to 130 centimeter cube. So when we compare the volume of a cylinder and a cuboid, we find that the cuboidal tin will consume more and its capacity is 900 centimeter cube, while the capacity of the cylinder is 770 cube. So volume of cuboid is greater by 130 centimeter cube. So this completes our chapter.